There are birds everywhere. Blackbirds, cardinals, sparrows, finches, woodpeckers. They're everywhere. The mules are waiting for their alfalfa. Oh, here at Backwoods Valley Bound, we love to feed the birds, yes. How beautiful they are. How beautiful. Let me ease you up here. Yes. All right, wherever you are, I hope you're having a great day. That's what the mules would rather do. Just stand out in the snow. I better cover that alfalfa back up and give them a good flake of it and warm their old bellies up. Have a great day.